How to fix JBL speaker connected but no sound problem. First of all, what you have to do is simply scroll down, turn off your Bluetooth. Okay, then turn it on again and connect your speaker and now check if it's playing or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is simply uh, hold your speaker and turn it off and then turn it back again, and now check if the problem is still there. You simply have to reset your speaker. How to do that? You simply have to press play and pause button and volume button together. Okay, press and hold them together for a while and your speaker will turn off. Leave them and now press the power button and turn your speaker back again. Okay, and now connect the speaker to your phone and then check if the problem is still there. What you have to do is you simply restart your phone. Okay, simply quickly press volume up, volume down, then press the power button and hold, and as soon as it turns off and displays the Apple logo, you leave this and your phone will restart. If you are using iPhone, then it's simple. Either press power button or press and hold the power button and volume down and click on restart and restart your phone. Okay. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you simply check, isn't your phone is connected to multiple speaker at the same time? Like click here and check. If it's connected to multiple speaker at the same time and the song is being played into some other speaker maybe, then it will show here. Like your JBL speaker won't be selected here. So you simply have to click on that and it will start playing sound. Okay, and if regardless of the phone you are using, regardless of you are connecting it to the laptop or phone, it is not playing any sound, then maybe there's some hardware issue. You can go to service center and get it checked and fixed. Okay.